Here I will explain standard in, out and error. So those are new, you should not worry about this. Just watch and practice, you will understand. Okay, stdin, std out and stderr, stderr, error. So what is stdin? Let's say I type a command ls. Okay, you may not understand if I type stls. I type, let's say cat, and press enter. Now it is blinking, right? It is asking to type something. Let's say hello. This hello I type, this is stdin, okay, input, standard input. Now if I press enter, it will again print. All right, so this first one is standard input and this is the output. Okay, like ls, if I press enter, this is output, std out. Okay, now let's say I need a file lsl test.sh. Now let's say I am typing, running this, trying to run this command test.sh, and it is showing error. Okay, permission denied. This is standard error, stderr. This is the basic concept about a standard input, output and error. But we can do something more, like stdin is actually descriptor is 0, std out equal to, this is 1, and std error, it is descriptor is 2. Okay, you have to remember. It means we can use this or without it, it is optional. Let's say I'm typing something ls, okay, and if I type, it will print. Okay, now ls, I want to do something this, and I'm creating a file ls.txt. Okay, so now this result is not showing in the terminal, but it is going to the new file. This is called descriptor. Sorry, this is called redirect. Okay, result is redirect to the file. All right, ls it prints. Okay, ls it prints the result, but ls I am doing this. Now it will not print, it will go to the file. Okay, it is redirect. I do not want to print in the terminal, I want to print the file. But the point is that ls, this ls.txt and ls, if I write this, both are same. So this is standard output. Okay, std out. Okay, is it clear? Now what I am saying, that I want to run a file, a bash file dot test.sh. You see, permission denied. Now I want to do same thing, that I want to run this and I want to redirect to new file. Okay, let's say file name sh.txt. You see, it is showing error. All right, now if I type this, okay, still it is showing error because this file is not executable. That's why it is showing the error. Now here you can see that I am typing, why it is not going inside to the file and printing, because I typed the wrong. Here you see space, there should not be any space. So this mistake is, you have to understand how to type. Now this is not going to print. Okay, this is redirect. It means I can, this error I can print on terminal or not. If I do not want to print, I will do this. Okay, so when you type this 2, it understand that it is a standard error. All right, that is, you have to understand. Here one of the point you have to understand, that I am trying to type, it is printing the error here, and when I type 2, then it is not printing. So standard error 2, it under, you have to type 2 to standard error, otherwise it will just normally take a standard out. If you type this, it will print. If you type this without 2, it will also print this. Okay, so that is a standard input, output and error. That is, you have to understand. Again, I repeat summary, that stdin, std out and std error. Okay, this 3 point we have to know out. Let's say I'm typing cat and press enter. So now I'm typing a word hello. This is standard in. Alright, this is stdin. Alright, and if I press enter, I'm going to press enter. This is output. Next time. So this is in, and this is the output. Like this, ls, press enter, this is the output. Okay. Date, press enter, this is standard output. Okay, a cat, to understand easier, if I type ls and try to explain you as a beginner, a standard input, it will be difficult for you to understand, so I am ignoring this. I am typing a command cat, and let's say now I am typing hello. This hello is standard input. Now press enter, I am pressing enter, it will print hello. That second hello is standard output. That's all. And standard error, if you run a command and it does not work, that is a standard error. Okay, I'm running this, it is a standard error. I can redirect this to and let's say error dot txt. It is going there. Now if I do not use 2, it will understand normal output and it will print here. So 0, descriptor 0 for standard in, and descriptor 1 for output and 2 for error. It means, let's say ls, I'm typing ls, it will print. Okay, print all ls. If I do this, the ls, if I do this t.txt, it is going to the file, it is redirect. Okay, redirect. Now what I am doing, I can write this here 1. Okay, it will go inside. Now question is that if you type 1 or not, this is optional, it works same way. Alright, now for standard error, like what I am typing, that the command, this is, if I type, this is error. This understand that, and it is not entering because here is no 2. Descriptor 2, when you use it, understand it is the standard error. It will work this way. That is basic of the standard input, output and error. You have to watch, practice. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box. I will respond. Thank you very much.